Today we're jumping into the most unique, fun, and quirky themes for VS Code. These are sure to add some excitement to your coding sessions. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeremy, and this channel is all about helping you to become a better developer with the latest tools and techniques. Alright, let's get started. Up first on our list is a retro arcade theme. So to install it, we're just going to click on extensions and search for Jellyfish-X, and we can see it's this extension here. It's called Jellyfish X Retro Theme. I'm going to click install, and once it's finished installing, we can set it as our theme. This theme is very brightly colored and reminds me of a retro game-like interface. I really like the neon look that it has. Number 2 on our list is Super Theme. It's a superhero inspired theme that's supposed to look like Superman. I'm going to click install, and here we can see the same colors that we would expect to see with Superman. Number 3 on our list is our space theme. It's called DFS-Space. And here we can see that the background is a nice deep black, and we have bright colors. We can definitely see a lot of use of the blue color, and overall, I think it looks very nice. It reminds me of the Hyper theme that I've used in the past. Number 4 on our list is our nature theme called Muted Nature. We can see a lot of elements from nature in our greens and browns here. Number 5 is our typewriter theme called Typewriter. We can see that when we enable this theme, we have the option between notebook, print, and print black and white. There doesn't seem to be a lot of difference in these variations. It really just seems to be a little bit of color difference. I'd say the print black and white is the biggest difference in that everything is just black with a white background. Number 6 on the list is our futuristic sci-fi theme. This theme is called Codex Effect, and we can see that it has a dark background and some bright colors to make it look futuristic. There's a lot of use of blues in this theme as well. If you're into minimalist themes, monochrome may be your theme of choice. It has several variations, none of which stand out very much, and unlike some of the others on this list, it has light variations. My 8th pick on the list is called Bearded Theme. It's a little different than some of the other themes on this list, but the reason I chose it is because it has so many options. Here we can see all of the various options that Bearded Theme gives us. It's a lot. Chances are if you install this theme, you're going to find some variation that you enjoy. Number 9 on our list of unique themes is Ocean Code. It's an ocean-based theme. And here we can see, like a lot of other themes, there's a lot of use of blues and greens. And last on our list is our neon theme. This one's called Neon Color Dark Theme. And specifically, I'm talking about the neon light variation. This theme definitely gives me some neon vibes. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of VS Code themes as much as I have. If you're looking for more practical tips, check out this other video where I go over the best VS Code icon themes. Before you go, I've got something else you might like. I've just recently launched a weekly newsletter that's created to help you stay up to date with the latest tools and techniques. You can sign up on my website. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.